Hey everybody, it is Sierra Janelle back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another luxury unboxing. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing. Well, I already unboxed it, so we can just call it a review of the Dior sunglasses. These are the Solight 2s. So the Solight ones are the ones that have a real deep and bigger frame, and these are the Solight 2s in the color pink. So we're just gonna hop right into this video. Again, these are the Dior sunglasses. I went on vacation with these, and that was my first time wearing them. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them again. I don't know, I might sell these, but because they're not really practical, and like I'm super simple. If you watched a couple of my videos, you kind of know that as well. I have a very certain taste, and I only bought these because I knew I was going to Miami. I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to take some pictures in it. So this is what this looks like. So we're just gonna hop right in. I'm gonna let you know where I purchased them, how much I purchased them, what they look like, and the difference between these and the Solight ones. So just stay tuned and let's hop right into this video. So I got these sunglasses off of a whim. I follow a person who, I think she is an essay, and her Instagram, I'll put it right here, but it's XO Shopper, I believe. And I follow her, and most of the designer stuff that I do have is because of her. So shout out to you, girl. So for these glasses, I paid $152. I've been scouring the internet to see if I can find the retail price from the Dior website, but it's not on the Dior website. And then when I went to Joma's shop, I cannot find them anywhere. Even in my confirmation, I tried to click the order number so it can take me to the item, and I'm not able to find it. But I got it from Joma's shop. They sell 100% authentic designer pieces that are on sale. Most of the time they have insider sales, but yeah, most of my YSL bag I got from Joma's shop. And then these are my second purchase. So again, I paid $152.64, and these are the Solight light pink rectangle glasses, and these are the Solight 2s. So when I seen it, I went to go and grab it. When I seen them on sale, I just went to go hurry up and grab them, because I'm like, I wanted those Dior sunglasses ever since we seen them on Kylie Jenner, and she kind of blew them up a little bit. But these are not the ones that you probably have seen on the internet. These are a little bit different. So let me hop in and open this. This is the box that it comes in. I did spill some water when I was on vacation, so this is what this little circle is. But normally, this is what it is, and then it has the sticker on the back saying it's the Solight 2s in pink. So again, this is the box, and then I open it here, and this is where this white box come into play. And again, it has Dior on this side, Dior on this side, and then this is what the box looks like. And then I'm just gonna open the flap up. Again, you see Dior here, and it comes with a little cloth, and then as well as the dust bag for the sunglasses. So again, this is all that it came with. And then these are what it looks like. These are them. So again, these are super cute, but I can't really see me wearing them again. So I might sell them on Depop or something like that, because I'm not gonna wear these again. These are not really my style. These are not my everyday style, I should say. So I might sell them on Depop. I've only worn these one time, so I guess let me know if you're interested. Depends on when you see this video, but maybe I'll link down a Depop if you want to purchase them. But this is what they look like. And again, I'm not gonna lie, they are very cute. And again, I'll insert some pictures of me on vacation in them, but this is what it looks like. And it has Dior on the side. The sides are the same on the Solight ones, this thick stem right here, and then it has more of a rectangle shape, whereas the Solight ones have more of a dip, a U dip here. but I'm gonna tie my hair back a little bit so you can kind of see my hair out of the way. So yeah, this is what this looks like. Very, very, very glamorous. Okay, girl. So I mean, I would recommend them. They're really, really cute. Again, they're just not my style. And also I have like high cheekbones. So sometimes like if I smile, they kind of like move around, but they're very comfortable. The nose pads here are very, very comfortable. They fit. I have a smaller type of head, but I can see these stems moving just a little bit. So if you do have a bigger head, I feel like these will still be comfortable for you. So that is pretty much the rundown on these glasses. The frames are pink as well. I've worn them before and they do block the sunlight. They do what the assignment is supposed to be done. They understand the assignment of blocking the sun, and they do that because sometimes the cute little sunglasses they didn't even hear the assignment. Yeah, like I said, I did pay $152. I do see it on this website called Shade Station. Again, I don't know how reliable this website is. I would prefer to find it from a website that I trust, but they say that the original price is $306. And yeah, the frame is pink and the lens is the frame is pink. The lens is supposed to be peach. Let's see. It says the lens size is 61 millimeters. The arm size is 130 millimeters, and then the bridge side is 20 millimeters. So that is kind of like some sizing when it comes to this. It's not pretty. It's not big like the other ones. The other ones are big. Now these are, a little bit, eccentric, but they're not like overpowering or anything like that. So yeah. And then also it says here that the frame material is plastic. It's noted as acetate. I believe that's how you say it. And then it says in parentheses plastic. So a cute name for plastic. They're made out of plastic. All right, so hopefully I did not keep you guys too long. I just wanted to show you what the packaging looks like, as well as what it looks like on my face, and the pricing, all that kind of stuff, specs, details, sizing. So if you want to go pick these up, I would definitely order them from a trusted website because I cannot find them anywhere on the Dior website. But this is what this looks like, and that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did not already, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you end up getting these, because I would definitely like to know how you like them and how they fit on your face and things of that nature. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. And that concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.